hotkey. Here at AzRA, this is our groover setup. If you're wondering if someone's in the groover, you must look for the key. The key is full of TP. Now, if the key is not here, that means that somebody is already in the groover. But if it's here, you're welcome to take it and walk this way. You know what we like to say? Who with a view? This is our groover setup. Here we have our awesome groover. It is a metal box with a cap on it. You can sit down like any regular toilet. We clean it every single day and sanitize. And this yellow bucket is for all liquid waste. Now the very important pieces are that no liquid waste goes in the solid waste container and no solid waste goes in the liquid waste container, including toilet paper. When you're finished with your business, we have bleach sprinkles to sprinkle on for scent. A lot of people ask, okay, what happens if I gotta go number 1 while I'm going number 2, which is super natural. What we like to do is we like to call this the Colorado two-step. You're here, and then you're here, and then you're back here. Easy, easy. When you're finished, make sure you bring your key back, otherwise some people will think you've been in there for far too long. Remember to use soap, and use our wonderful hand wash system, which involves this awesome little foot pump. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And like we all know, clean your hands really well to avoid norovirus.